Hello, DaveTech is here again with an exciting tutorial. Today, you will learn how to download the Perfect Player application into your Android TV, TV box, or even a Google TV. We'll be using the code method and the download application. This method is compatible with any device that has an Android operating system. So, head over to your apps, open your download application. If you do not have this yet, that's alright. I want you to go down in the description below. Click the link I've linked down to show you a tutorial that will teach you exactly how to get this app into your Android TV. When it's in, click it to open, go to home, and you put in the code on this dialog box. So the code for Perfect Player application is 4280849. Ensure the code is correct so this could work perfectly for you. When you have the code in, click on the go button and be patient. You'll be redirected to the MediaFire website. That will take some time, a few seconds, and when you get there, your objective is to see an automatic download like it's happening right now. After the download is complete, click on the install button to have this app installed into your Android TV. You could delete the package installation file when done, and that will save space in your Android TV. I hope you found value in this tutorial. If you did, hit that subscribe button, like this, and I'll see you in the next video.